First of all, I would like to thank you very much to organizer to have opportunity to say some words about it. I believe this is the first step to understanding, let's say, culture. Risk culture is to be close with the risk, which start with the issuing the policy. So before we establish some insurance company, reinsurance company, we have to know exactly where we are going, what we'd like to do, and what is our strategic planning. And it comes from the leadership. So insurance and reinsurance nowadays, you're dealing with the losses, and this represents the risk exposure. So I'm very pleased to say that from the last day and today, from the government, you have a strong government support. So the leaders recognize the importance of insurance, let's say, insurance financial sector, not only to secure the private, the big entrepreneurship, but also to manage, let's say, social peace, if I can say in this way. So I'm also very pleased to see the name Tashkent as a friendship and peace place nowadays. So natural catastrophes severity frequency is increasing. New technology also request from the insurance and reinsurance industry big response. Means to be close with the risk is include all aspects from the risk, which are covered from finance, from investment, understanding the culture in the insurance, and you need for this time. It's not enough only to provide the capacity nowadays, also with the rating A-, AAA or BBB+, it's first to understand the insurance needs, and at the end of the day, the insurance needs to provide enough capacity and secure capacity, because at the end of the day, we need to pay our losses, which will happen future.
Is there any formula which the country can take and follow?
I believe there is no formula. That's the reason why I said Tashkent is the place when also West can meet East. The exposure here can be completely different than the exposure in Kipr, in Japan, or in Russia. How we manage this risk, this is very important. How we evaluate this risk, and of course the protection. But I believe you are on the right way. There is no formula. That's the reason why I suggest not paste copy any West models, because all models, if you compare Katrina, wind in the United States, if you look now the Japanese, the nature shows that reality is always wider than any doctrine which we can write. So I believe you can rely on your expertise, which you have, your leadership from the government to support to development. And we should work on a daily basis, not just wait the future will happen by the future themselves.
And what do you think about reinsurance and insurance of management of Uzbekistan?
Honestly, I'm already here twice. I was last year and this year. I can say in these two times I recognize from the organizer, let's say, high professionalism, which means they have a very fast response to our needs. For the time being, I see the development of the insurance premium, but to say something more, how they manage, I really should meet the insurance companies to see how they control, how they identify, and how they put into place the risk regarding enterprise risk management, which includes all operation. It's not only fire, it's not only defining the PML, it's also controlling what's going on the legislative regulator, what's going on the models, how the country is exposed by natural perils, what kind is doing from the science. So all this sphere includes. So at the moment, maybe I'm not so competent to say anything, but I'm happy to see the support. This is, for the time being, I believe, the most important. From the regulatory point of view, supervisory point of view, you will increase the capital requirements for the insurance, because it leads to save the vital interest of the economy, which still represents the people of Uzbekistan.
Thank you. Introduce yourself, please.
So I'm Siniša Lorinčević. I'm Master of Science, Management and Leadership. I'm coming from Trusttree, Cyprus, and I'm a head of business development, with pleasure to say, with Uzbekistan and Trusttree, Bahrain. Thank you.
Thank you.